What's going on, guys? This morning, we have something to open up. My friend Dave Ray gave us some toys to open up. You see right here, that looks like a Mattel logo, and this is from Mattel Creations. So I already snipped the bottom because I was going to do something, but I hadn't pulled it out yet, so now we're going to pull it out, see what it is. Ooh, Sy-Clone, Heroic Fist-Flinging Tornado. Modern Posing Retro Play. I was hoping to have a Sy-Clone, a vintage Sy-Clone with me so we could check them out together, but I do not have one. But let's look at the artwork on the back. You got the Fright Zone, you got Sy-Clone, you got Moss Man, you got Hordak in the back. Love the art. That was the best thing about the original He-Man stuff in the 80s was the art. The art was spectacular. Spectacular. All right, so without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. So, go there. Hey, let's see what it says. It says pull up, spin, push down, and then you can twist it. That's cool because it didn't have that option with the older stuff. All right, this is what comes in the box. You've got the figure, you've got his shield, 2 tornadoes, and you've got this piece, which I guess is his weapon, and then you got a comic that is called The Fog of War. All right, so there's the comic. We'll set that there. There's that. There's that. Pop him out of his plastic encasement, and then we need to I don't want to rip the packaging and mess anything up. There's that. There's that. All right, so we got that sitting off to the side. Now we got this. So we have a shield. And I'm assuming he just throws his, yeah, that's what he does. Okay, here we go. So we can see what it does. Get his hand around the handle. And then it can snap on right there. That's cool. All the motion is amazing now. Okay, and this even has a place to snap on like that, so, and it's even got the little, that's cool. Check that out, how he's spinning. Okay, all right. I see what the play value is now. I understand. So, we got sorry. Just so we see what's going on. He's got his feet stands that stand on his feet. And I guess you can aim them depending on where he's going or what. That's cool. So we got that. This snaps on 2 different places, so it could be, oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay, so we have him held up, so now spinning, and then we put him down. That's cool. Yeah, buddy. He was a cool figure when he came out, and this is pretty cool in and of itself here too. I like this a lot. So, all right, you cannot clamp this to his back, but you got that. And the old Sy-Clone, all you could do is this right here, just up and down. But now you can move his arms, move his hands, and his wrists, and it spins. That's cool. And his feet are the same way. You can adjust his feet up and down, moving on the legs. And it's still a lenticular on his chest. So, and you got head movement. That's sweet. So there it is, guys. There's Sy-Clone, the 2024 version. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, likes, dislikes. If there's something you want to see, please let me know in the comments. If there's something you don't want to see, let me know in the comments. And all right, guys, tell Sy-Clone bye. We got to pack him back up and take him back over to Dave Ray. Thank you. Bye.